Hi, have you ever wondered how you can decrease your dairy intake? Perhaps you're lactose intolerant and you don't want to pay all that money for that special milk. Or maybe you're a vegetarian or vegan and you don't want to eat any animal products and you want to have something to wetten up your cereal. Well, here's the answer. I'm going to show you how to make almond milk today, and my name is Phil Liu, and here we go. Let's see how we do it here. It's pretty easy. It only takes a couple minutes. So let's go through it step by step. The first thing I'm going to show you are the ingredients. So let's take a look at some of the ingredients here. What we have of course the handy Vitamix machine. We've got our boiled water here, which is about I would say about 48 ounces of water. We got some glass jars that we're going to put the almond milk into after we're done. We've got some vanilla. We have about a cup of a mixture of cashews and almonds that are raw and they've been soaked for about a half an hour. And then lastly, I've got some chia seed, which I use to put in at the end, along with 3 unsweetened dates. So here we go. I'm going to show you step by step. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the dates into the Vitamix. And I'm going to put I would say about a tablespoon of vanilla in here. You can see I'm not too scientific. Then I'm going to drain the water out of the nuts that have been soaking for about a half an hour. And let's see here. I'm going to get all that water out. The soaking in the water allows the nuts to sprout and some of the nutrients come out. And also, just kind of cleans out any impurities. So I'm going to take care of that here. Okay, so I've got all my nuts ready to go. I'm going to take that and put that in my trusty Vitamix. And then I'm going to put about my 48 ounces, about a quart and a half of water in here. On this particular water boiler, I boil the water first because I want to, kind of get rid of impurities and any flavors from chemicals, because it is tap water. And then I put it in here. You notice that it's still warm, but it's not that hot. So I'm going to fill it up to 1.5 liters, which is about a quart and a half. Then, let's see, here we go here. Now I'm going to put it in the trusty Vitamix. And I'll show you how that's done. Just going to let this go probably for about, a minute and a half, something like that. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to take it and pour it into my glass jars. I have 3 glass jars here, and I'm going to put about 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. I could strain it and take out some of the almond solid substances, but I like it just for the fiber. Now, the last step is that I'm going to take about one of these scoops of chia seeds, and the chia seeds add a little bit of texture to it. Just 1 scoop per jar. So that's about 1 scoop. I would say that's about maybe 2 tablespoons per 500 ml, or say, I guess that's about 16 ounces. And then I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Now I could put the chia seeds into the Vitamix, but the only problem with that is that then they all get all ground up and you don't get the same effect in the texture. When you put the chia seeds in now, what happens is they kind of expand, and they kind of becomes kind of like tapioca, which is kind of a very nice texture. And it takes probably about 15 minutes to half an hour for the chia seeds to absorb the liquid, and we're just about done here. I think that's about it. We're just going to let that go, and you can drink this either hot or cold, and that's it. So we have about 48 ounces of almond milk here that I'm going to use for my breakfast tomorrow. Thanks.